Hi everyone, so this is just a quick demo of how to fork and clone a repo for practice. So what we're going to do is, if you'd like to follow along, you can open up a terminal or a command line in whichever operating system you're using. And we're going to go ahead and make a new directory. So I'm going to go to my Documents Flatiron area. And then I'm going to make a directory called Git Practice. And then I'm going to go ahead and cd into that directory. And then once we're in this directory, what we're going to do is navigate over here. We're using github.com/octocat/spoon-knife as our practice. And what we're going to do is start by forking this repo. We're going to click on fork. And it's forking now. Once it's complete, you'll see that it's now on your actual GitHub account right here, forked from octocat/spoon-knife. And the next step is to click the green code button and make sure to select the correct type of link. If you're using HTTPS, you can click that. If you use an SSH key, you can click that. Go ahead and copy that. And then once that's done, navigate back to your terminal. And we're going to do git clone and then paste. On a Mac, that's Command V, and then enter. Once that's done, you now have a cloned repo on your machine. Now we can take this one step further if you'd like. Type Jupyter Notebook, press that, and then here you go. You can see all of these files locally on your machine. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Data Science Jellyfish.